Hey everyone, today we're unboxing and setting up the Predator 8750 watt generator from Harbor Freight. This generator gives you reliable backup power whether you're on a job site, at home, or out in the woods. We're going to walk through setup and we're going to install some key Votex upgrades to help protect your engine for the long haul. Start with the feet. This will make assembling the wheels easier. Make sure to attach the rubber foot to the foot bracket and install the foot bracket to the frame using the supplied hardware. To install the wheel, slide the axle through the wheel with a washer on each side. Slide the axle through the bracket on the generator and secure with an R-clip. To install the handle, align the holes on the handle with the holes on the generator and secure in place using the included hardware. Use the locking pin to lock the handle in the up or down position. This is a manual pull start generator, just like all the other Predator generators. It's also got the battery for the electric start. The Predator 8750 puts out 8,750 starting watts and 7,000 running watts, a solid power range for tools, appliances, or backup systems. You've got a 240 volt twist lock outlet, several 120 volt outlets, GFCI protection, plus a digital hour meter to help track your service intervals. Before we add oil and fuel, we're going to upgrade this unit with parts from Votex. These are USA-made components designed to protect and extend the life of your engine. Let's take a look at what we're installing on this model. This is a super easy swap, and it's especially important to install before first startup during the break-in period. That's when most metal shavings will circulate through the oil. Votex uses a rare earth neodymium magnet, one of the strongest available, and it's high temp rated, so it keeps its strength even while the engine is hot. That means it'll trap damaging metal particles and hold them until your next oil change, helping extend engine life. Next, we're swapping out the plastic factory dipstick for a Votex magnetic dipstick. This one's made from stainless steel with a flat O-ring for a better seal, and it includes a magnetic tip to catch even more wear particles. It also has an Allen head, so if you accidentally over-tightened it during your last oil change, you won't strip it trying to remove it. Before adding oil, take a minute to compare the factory dipstick to the Votex one so you know where your new high and low marks are. We're also adding a Votex crush washer to the magnetic plug. These help seal the connection and reduce the chance of drips. And with the 20-pack, you'll have enough washers to service your generator for years. They're made in the USA and hold up really well over time. Last prep step, oil and fuel. The 8750 does not come with oil, so make sure you have 10W30 on hand, just like the manual recommends. You also need fresh gasoline. Once oil and gas are in, give everything a once over. Then it's time to start it up using the manual recoil. After a few firm pulls, you should be up and running, or you can use the simple electric start switch. That's your unboxing and setup for the Predator 8750 watt generator. We've now got it upgraded with Votex parts that will help this engine go the distance. Links to all the products used are down in the description. And be sure to check out our oil change video on this exact model. We'll walk through tools, tips, and install. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.